another video. As you guys know, in my last video I was talking about selling pharmacy cosmetics, and I just recently got my package yesterday. It's the welcome package, or your starter kit. I guess you would call it a starter kit, and I'm going to do the unboxing with you guys here today. I only took off the plastic. I'm lying. I sneaked through there. You know, you can't get a box of goodies without going through it. So I'm going to show you guys what you get in your starter kit. And to sign up with your starter kit, the one I'm going to show you right now is only $19.99, which is a really good steal, I think. So if you guys want to see what you get in your starter kit, keep on watching. Okay, the first thing I want to show you guys get 5 of our spring catalogs. And this is for the spring. You get 5 of those. And if you flip through here, you can see the goodies. Yeah, you know I can't wait to start buying some of that stuff. Let's talk a little bit about it. They have tea tree, they have chestnut, they have rose, and this is from the brand, I guess they have like, I don't know, a brand with inside of a brand, I guess. It's Dr. C Tuna. I guess I'm saying that right. And that's the skincare in here. They also have men products, which I don't know if a lot of people know that. I didn't know that until I signed up, but they do have men products. They do have perfumes and cologne. They have skincare. Let's see if I can find some. They also have shampoo, I do believe. Let's see. And I didn't know this either. And they also have baby products, which is also gluten-free. And let's see what else. It is 100% organic. So that's just a few things in there. The little kit I'm about to show you is so cute. And I'm actually gonna think about putting this right behind me for decor because I just think it's so pretty and I love the pink on here. Isn't that adorable? And here's the back of it. And then it's one of those flip like magnetized boxes. So you can, you know, reuse it, which is what I plan to do too. And then when you open it up, you have your information and you get some samples in here too, which is underneath. The first thing is just like a little welcome pamphlet. And then you have another information pamphlet. And then there's a skincare guide, which I'm very interested to start going through because I don't know a lot about skincare. So they also have the charcoal one. Let's see, what else do we see? So that's purified skin. I guess it like cleans out the pores for that one. This is Pore Experts. What is this one? They have a one for age, so I guess it's anti-aging. I'm gonna go over this so that I can get more info and knowledge about this so I can share it with you guys. That's really cool. And they also have in here is the pharmacy makeup color chart, which is really, really cool because they gave out samples in here today of the foundation, which is what I have on today, which I'm really, really liking. It almost reminds me of my double wear, to be honest. And I'm gonna see how it wears through the day. If it wears the same, I might just start doing this instead of the double wear because I would be saving some money. And it does look very nice. I mean, I like it. So I went in here to the color chart. Let me see if I can find it. And the numbers, I really had to search for the numbers because they're so tiny in here to match with the foundation, which I am the 3rd one down. And that is 03. So I did have to search for that quite a bit because the number is so tiny. And I had to use my glasses and I still couldn't see it. That's how little it is. So this is kind of cool to have too. I'm going to show you the little bags that you get. These are so stinking adorable. And I don't even think I'm gonna use these, to be honest. I'm gonna probably put those up for decor in the back too, just because they're so cute. And I can reorder these, so you guys will be getting your little goodies in a bag like this if you order from me. And they have this little cutie right here. Let's see, which one did I show you? Did I show you the lips? And then they have the lipstick and the girl there. This one has the eyelashes, and then on this side, it's like, oh, it's so cute. Some of the samples that we got, let's see, what are these? So I'm wanting to say that, I don't really see, what is it? So this is a shampoo, hair oil, hair mask, That's kind of cool. So you get 4 of these little guys right here. The next thing that we have here is, what is this? Relaxing massage gel. And then they have a soothing one. So this is the soothing one on this end right here. And the rest of them are relaxing. I didn't even know that this company had stuff like that. I think that's pretty cool. And they give us these, and I think they are, yeah, they're different shades. We have light, light to medium, medium, and then medium to dark. So, and that's the CC cream. This is the one I tried today, Stay Matte Mineral Enriched Foundation. This is the one that I've used. The one is missing. They give you 4 of these, but these are in different shades. We have shade 05, 06, and 09. I'm guessing that 09 is going to be the darkest shade that they gave us. Yeah. It says pore minimizing, which I totally agree with that. My skin did look smoother when I put this on today. Oil free, I have to agree with that. Shine free, I have to agree with that. Yeah. So they are not lying when they say that about this foundation. And I'm not just saying this because I'm selling it, because I always give my true opinions. I will never lie. I will tell you this, the makeup remover wipes are very inexpensive. However, they are kind of dry. I don't know if I got a bad patch or what. I would not buy those. I do not like those. So to each his own. I mean, you can try them out, see if you like them. They're inexpensive. Nothing else. They're really great for swatches. But I didn't like them personally for taking off my makeup. So yeah. Oh, I got one more thing I was almost going to leave out here. They give you a bunch of these little lipstick samples. Let's see, which one is it? I do believe it's this one right here, and it's called Lotus. And that's what I have on my lips today, is that one right there. And I love the color. I think it is so pretty. It's so smooth and seamless. And I didn't use a liner at all, you guys. I did not. This is the real pigment of it. And also, it did not get on my teeth. Every time I put on Bite Beauty lipstick, or a lot of lipsticks for that matter, they like cling to my teeth, and I have them on my teeth throughout the day. That one did not. So I highly recommend that in a foundation if you guys are wanting to purchase anything. And I will leave my link down below in case you guys want to order anything, which you don't have to, but I'll leave it there just in case you do. Let me know if you guys ever tried out anything from Farmasi. Are you selling it? I'm nosy. Talk to me. I like to hear you guys' thoughts, comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Until next time. Bye, guys.